Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the AP Psychology exam. First, let's understand the exam's structure. It consists of 100 multiple-choice questions and 2 free response questions, all to be completed within 2 hours. You'll have 70 minutes for the multiple-choice section and 50 minutes for the free response questions. Knowing this format helps you strategize your study time effectively. We'll cover key steps to help you feel confident and ready for test day. Next, focus on mastering the core content. The AP Psychology curriculum covers 9 major units, from scientific foundations to social psychology. Dedicate time to each unit, ensuring you understand key terms, prominent theories, and research methods. Flashcards are incredibly useful for memorizing definitions and associating them with specific psychologists. Aim to spend at least 1 hour per unit, reviewing your notes and textbook chapters thoroughly. Now, let's talk about practice. Regularly complete practice multiple-choice questions to improve your speed and accuracy. The exam has 100 multiple-choice questions, so time management is crucial. For the free response section, practice writing clear, concise answers that directly address the prompt. Use official scoring rubrics to understand what examiners are looking for. Aim to complete at least 3 full practice exams before test day. Finally, let's prepare for exam day itself. Ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep the night before to optimize cognitive function. A nutritious breakfast will provide sustained energy throughout the 2-hour exam. Arrive at the testing center early with your admission ticket, 2 number 2 pencils, and 2 blue or black ink pens. Stay calm, read all instructions carefully, and manage your time wisely. You've prepared well.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.